G'day everybody and welcome back. So I'm back from the sausage tour and just thought I'd give you a bit of a quick catch up and let you know what's going on. I've got 6 days worth of footage that I need to go through. So we did somewhere around the 1800 kilometres, somewhere around that, of some of Tasmania's best roads. I'm still not quite sure how I'm going to stitch it all together, but I'm working on it. One of the things that became apparent was the guys were telling me that my tail light and brake light are working, but they're dim and they're having a bit of trouble seeing them, so I thought I'd have a bit of an investigation to see this clown's painted the head of the screws red. Yeah, just to sort of see what I can see. Oh. Oh dear. Got 12 volts. How dim is it? Oh, it's pretty dim. Just like the previous owner. 24 volt globe in a 12 volt system. Ohm's law matters. Good hell. Some people should not own motorcycles. 24 volt, but they did manage to paint the head of the screws red so they match in with the lens. Oh well, be a trip to the auto parts store for that one. I'll put it in without a globe and I'll go tomorrow. God almighty. Alright. Had some contact cleaner and it's going to give all a nice clean and everything in there, and scratch up the contacts with a bit of wet and dry. I'll do that tomorrow. But hey, just a quick catch up, yeah, to let you know what's going on. So I've got all the footage there. I need to go through it now. I've started going through it last night and figure out how I'm going to assemble all this as a video, because one of the things I do regret is I didn't do enough of the social aspect of the ride. It's just a lot of road riding, and the roads are absolutely spectacular over here in Tassie, particularly up in the north and the northwest. So I'm really keen to give you all a look at it. I just need to be able to stitch it together somehow. So hang in there. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment, and I'll catch you next time on Andy's Motorcycle Obsessions. I need to hunt this guy down and just slap him. Bye for now.